In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use enhanced custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or just getting started, adding custom fields can streamline your data entry process and help tailor the software to better fit your business needs. So let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and click on the sign in button. Once you're on the sign in page, you'll want to opt for QuickBooks Online from the list of products offered. This ensures you're on the right track for our custom field setup. Now enter your credentials, your username and password, and click on continue. If you've got two-factor authentication set up, you might be prompted for that extra layer of security. Once you're in and have landed on the dashboard, it's time to move to the settings area. Navigate towards the gear icon, which is typically placed in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will lead you to the settings menu. From here, you'll need to go to the custom fields section. It's in this area where all the customization magic happens. Now you should see an option to add a custom field. Click on add custom field to begin the process. This step is key as it allows you to define new fields that capture specific data points which are unique to your business. Imagine these fields as blank canvases ready for you to write up the most useful data for your operations. Next, you'll want to type in a name for your custom field. This could be anything related to the specific data you want to track, such as purchase order number or sales representative. Make sure the name you pick aligns well with the type of data you'll be entering. Clear and descriptive names will make it easier to understand over time. Following that, you need to select the form type that you'd like this custom field to appear on. QuickBooks allows you to choose from forms such as invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. Selecting the right form type ensures that your field gets displayed in the most logical places. And finally, once you're satisfied with your custom field name and form type assignment, don't forget to hit the Save button. This action confirms your new custom field setup and officially integrates it into your QuickBooks Online interface. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on using enhanced custom fields in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Custom fields are a powerful feature that can greatly enhance the way you use QuickBooks, making it tailored more specifically to meet your unique business requirements. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your QuickBooks Online experience. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical QuickBooks tips.